The first thing we have to do is to distribute. So we have 3p minus 1 equals 5p minus 5 minus 14 plus 4p. Then we collect like terms on the right side, so we have equals, there's a 5p and a 4p, so that's 9p, and a negative 5 and a negative 14, that's negative 19. We still have 3p minus 1. Then we have to add 19 on both sides. And that gives us 3p plus 18 equals 9p. Subtract 3p from both sides. And that gives us 18 equals 6p. Divide both sides by 6. And we get p equals 3. To solve this proportion, we use the same idea as we did in the easier proportions, that is cross multiplying. So we multiply 4 times 13 minus b equals 6 times 2 minus 0.5b. And here again we have to use distribution. So 4 times 13 is 52 minus 4b equals 6 times 2, which is 12, minus 6 times 0.5b, which is 3b. And now we can just use our properties of algebra. That is, add 4b to both sides. And that gives us 52 equals 12 plus 1b, or just b. Subtract 12 from both sides, and we get b equals 40. First thing we know, let's read the problem. At 9 o'clock on Saturday morning, two bicyclists headed in opposite directions pass each other on a bicycle path. The bicycle heading north is riding 6 kilometers an hour faster than the bicyclist heading south. At 10:45, they are 56 kilometers apart. Find the two cyclists' rate. So we're looking for the rates, and we don't know them, but we know something about them. We know that, let's say that south is r, therefore north's rate is r plus 6. Now, time. We know they're traveling from 9 to 10:45. Well, that's 1.75 hours. And they're both traveling the same amount of time. We know that rate times time equals distance. So our expression for the south's distance traveled is 1.75 r. And the expression for north's rate is 1.75 times r plus 6. We also know that the total distance that they travel is 56 kilometers. So we know that 1.75 r plus 1.75 times r plus 6 equals 56. And to solve this equation, We have to distribute. Plus 1.75 r plus 6 times 1.75, which is 7.5. I'm sorry. No. What's 1.75 times 6? Okay, stop. 10.5 equals 56. Collect like terms. 3.5 r plus 10.5 equals 56. Subtract 10.5 from both sides and we get 3.5 r equals 45.5. Divide both sides by 3.5 and we get r equals 13. That's south's rate, and north's rate is r plus 6. South equals r's rate, and north equals 19.